The next question that I want to answer, I'm going to do here on the computer so you can see how to navigate the site and get the information you need. The question is, can I practice on Moodle before the start of the term? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. We have a Moodle practice course that's set up for students. All students automatically have a Moodle account. It's the same as your single sign-on password. So you can go to the main page of the website, click Moodle. That will take you to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll see your courses. You can sort them by different things, but you'll see the Student Moodle Practice Course. Go ahead and open that up. So here's the Moodle Practice Course. In this course, you can do everything from watch a video on how to get started to submitting practice assignments, using forums, taking quizzes. Don't worry about breaking anything or hurting anything in this course. You can practice all you want, and it doesn't impact any courses or grades at all. The other thing that's in here is a section about Zoom, which is the next thing we want to talk about. So Zoom is an online video conferencing tool that some of your instructors will be using for your classes. In most cases, you'll be provided with a link from your instructor. All you have to do is click that link. You don't have to log into anything, and you can join the class. Instructors sometimes have classes on Zoom when they want a live conversation or want you to see a live lecture. But we also use Zoom for our support services like the Advising Center and the Student Help Desk both have Zoom rooms. Let me show you those now. A Zoom room is like a virtual waiting room where you can wait, and then when someone's available, you can ask questions face-to-face or voice-to-voice. So here's the Advising Center's Zoom room. You can see it's open weekdays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I found this information on the Advising Center's Contact Us page. The library also has a Zoom room on the library's main page. It's open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And you can click this link right here to get into the Zoom room. So let's go ahead and do that to see what it looks like. We open the meeting. We can choose to join with video or without video. And then we'll get a message letting us know that someone will be with us soon. Oh, go ahead and join with your computer audio. And then when you're done, you just leave the meeting. And that is how our Zoom rooms work. Those are great when you have questions that are a little more complex than you'd want to send in an email. You need a back and forth. And we can even do some screen sharing so that you can see their screen or they can see your screen. And that can be really helpful. It's like an in-person experience. So that wraps us up for this week. We'll see you back next week with more information. Thanks.